Crash Poppin', guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Kaiju tier list. Now, we don't need that for now. That's gonna just be down there. Move down here. Fine. Okay. So, last time we did this was it's been a while. So, yeah. So today, we need our list of Kaiju. Monster versus Kaiju. We just need our things. So that's right, we never did do this. Anyways, we're gonna start with Zemuto. We didn't put Muto on here last time, so Muto .png. That should work. Copy. And we're gonna do this. So now, Muto heckin' got mutilated by Godzilla. Mothra could probably take it, Rodan could definitely take it, and Gears might be able to take it, so it's going down in the D tier. Because we all know heckin' anybody could take on Muto and win so gosh dang easily. Okay. Next on our list, Muto and Muto Prime are the same. We have Mothra. Camazotz. That's right, Camazotz is a new one. Camazotz.bng. That does not look right. I mean, can we just find the copy? So now, because of what little we know about Camazotz, it's gonna go in the C tier, along with Mr. Anguirus. To paste, crap. Copy. Lose the paste. So because of what little we know about Titanus Camazotz, we can't really judge that off of him. Let's see what else. Let's see what's next. I'm gonna just use the ones we've seen, at least from what I know. We've got Yamada or maybe Quetzalcoatl? No. Let's do Behemoth. Godzilla Monsterverse.png. So Behemoth we could see with immense strength, so it's gonna go into the B tier. So we're gonna try our best. Let's see what else is there. Kaiju. We never really did a lot of the Heisei Kaiju. See. Oh, that's right. Space Godzilla. Yes, please. Space. I want to see what this would look like. I'd do it. I'd have that kind of beautiful thing crawling up my face. Heck yeah. Space Godzilla. .bng. I'd absolutely have a Space Godzilla wandering around the Monsterverse. If it was up to me, it isn't though. But we saw Space Godzilla wiping the floor with Heckin' little baby Godzilla. Oh yeah, that's right, baby Godzilla. Baby Godzilla. .png. There was baby Godzilla. Yeah. Oh, there's so many baby Godzillas, I can't remember. Where's the little blue little kike? There he is. Cancel. Copy. I'll paste that. So now baby Godzilla grew up into an adult Godzilla, which automatically puts him in the A tier, even though he had nothing to do. And then on the topic of baby Godzilla, Destoroyah.png. Yeah, that works. So Destoroyah, I don't really know much about Destoroyah, even though I've watched every single Godzilla film. I don't really like Destoroyah. Even though he murdered Godzilla, I think he should go in the S tier. Honestly, the only kaiju we've really had in the F tier is Baragon, honestly. Let's see, what else am I missing? Oh yeah, Gamera. So now Gamera has his own... He's got his own movie, right? Yeah. That's what I thought. He has his own movie. Honestly, he's mutilated himself enough. He's okay, but he's definitely not there. So he's gonna go into the B tier where he belongs. Oh, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, that's more than the last one. Hey. We've done 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've already surpassed the other one. Ha. Let's see. Oh, then we have Mothra. God. That's right, we have Mothra and Mothra Leo, and Desghidorah. Desghidorah.png. This thing is just freaky on so many heckin' levels. I don't know why you were thinking of a Desghidorah, but why? Please explain. It goes in the A tier. Probably the same with Mothra Leo.png. Yeah, probably the same with Mothra Leo. Because if we're being completely honest, Mothra Leo was kind of pretty great, all things considered. I put him with the S tier. I mean the A tier. Let's see what... There's Dorats, there's Batra. Oh yeah, Batra. Batra's cool. Batra.png. What if everyone wants him to return in Monsterverse, which I doubt he will, unless they somehow make a deal with Toho. Ah, fridge! But no, Batra wiped the floor. He goes in A tier as well. Like most of the Mothra villains go in A tier because they're also insanely powerful. Let's see, what else am I forgetting? Oh yeah, Varan. Varan the Unbelievable. Varan I've never seen, but he looks amazing, and I love him, and he's adorable. And I'm gonna see that movie, because it's a great movie. I'm probably totally gonna get copyrighted or something. But from what I've seen, Varan is a C tier, which is still passing in America, but like, that's kind of it. I mean, I guess we could talk about the Yaos. I wouldn't. Yaos. .png. I guess we can talk about the Yaos. They're just kind of weird, honestly, and they got obliterated by Gamera. So I guess that's our second F tier kaiju. Honestly, I mean, okay. Here's the thing with the. What the heck? Oh! Okay, yeah, I didn't even know that. Shower. Let's see what's in this shower. Oh yeah, there's so much more here. Did we ever do King Kong? Is Kong on here? Wow, we didn't do King Kong. Oh, Kong is pretty OP. Kong.png. I hope it does not come up. Okay, good. We're about to have problems. Yeah, I mean, he's fine. Definitely not a kaiju worth another movie about. Solid S tier though. Been around longer than Godzilla. And I think that's all we're gonna do today. Because I know that I said this would be the final, but there's so much more to do, and you know. Yeah. So anyways, guys, I hope you really enjoy this. I'm really enjoying making videos, and hopefully Kappa doesn't sue me. Fingers crossed, guys. See ya, and let's pop in another day.